Hello everyone and welcome to this new YouTube channel. I'm trying to set up here with my G Andrew. A bit of background. Myself, I have a background in IT and like computer science, and I'm currently working as a consultant. And Andrew here, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. Thank you very much, CJ. Yeah. Okay. My name is Andrew Wanakub. I studied computer engineering in my first degree and data science in my master's, and I'm currently working as a data analyst with HMRC here in the UK. Yeah, I'm currently a mentor at BCS, where I mentor BCS student members on data science.
Wow,
Thank you.
that's a mouthful of a very rich experience there, Andrew. Andrew is highly skilled in what he does. He's also an entrepreneur. He's an IT geek. He's a musical, an instrumentalist. He's just everything. He knows a
Thank
bit of
you.
everything. Yeah, which is what we need in today's world to excel. Hopefully, we don't get taken over by some of these generative AI systems,
Yes.
and people can understand that human effort is really important
Sure.
in making crucial business decisions. But that's not the story for today. That's not why we're here today. Why is that thing hanging? But anyways, the thing is hanging. I don't know.
This is good.
Yeah, let's see. So I wanted to be doing like a Friday show, like weekend shows.
God, make
So
Corona great.
so
Me and you too.
so basically it'll be a live program. People would tune, and then they would like music requests, and we play games and stuff. But we'll be the ones to like host it. Mm.
We'll do a lot of things.
Yeah,
You know,
it will help.
yes, now we'll talk on tech, how to get
Yeah, I'll
jobs.
talk about tech, how to get jobs.